In the 1950s, the CIA launched one of its most infamous programs, Project MKUltra. Its goal? Unlocking the secrets of mind control through shocking experiments. What was the purpose, and what were the consequences? During the Cold War, the CIA feared Soviet advances in psychological warfare. The tension between the United States and the Soviet Union was palpable, with both sides constantly seeking an edge over the other. In 1953, under the leadership of Director Allen Dulles, they launched Project MKUltra to explore mind control techniques. This covert operation aimed to investigate the potential of manipulating human behavior and consciousness. Believing they could create programmed operatives or extract secrets from prisoners, the CIA operatives delved into uncharted territories of the human mind. The program tested methods like hypnosis, sensory deprivation, and hallucinogenic drugs, including LSD, to alter thoughts and behaviors. These experiments were often conducted without the subject's knowledge or consent, leading to ethical and moral controversies that would haunt the agency for decades. MKUltra experiments often crossed ethical boundaries, pushing the limits of what was considered acceptable in scientific research. The CIA secretly funded research at universities, hospitals, and even prisons, creating a network of covert operations that spanned across the country. In these institutions, subjects were sometimes drugged without their knowledge, subjected to experiments that would leave lasting impacts on their lives. One of the most infamous cases involved Frank Olson, a CIA scientist allegedly dosed with LSD without his consent, leading to a series of tragic events. Days later, Olson mysteriously fell to his death from a hotel window, sparking allegations of foul play and a cover-up that would haunt the agency for decades. In 1973, amid rising scrutiny and growing public awareness, the CIA took drastic measures and destroyed most MKUltra records, attempting to erase the evidence of their controversial experiments. But in the 1970s, Senate hearings brought the program's disturbing details to light, revealing shocking truths that stunned the public and raised serious questions about government ethics and accountability. MKUltra left a lasting legacy of deep mistrust in government institutions. It sparked intense debates about the balance between national security and ethical boundaries, a debate that continues to resonate and evolve in today's society, influencing how we view government transparency and human rights. Project MKUltra revealed the dark lengths the CIA would go to during the Cold War. What other secrets might still be hidden? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Hit subscribe to emtv1 for more hidden truths from history.